Hello everyone, my name is Nader Ali and today I'm going to present assessment number 4 in MXX507. The title is Build a Sustainable CNC Machine and Perform an Acceptance Test. First, the table of content. Our project can be divided into 4 titles: technology presentations, and market and competition, sustainability and financial projections, and investment needs. First, I'm going to explain a small abstract about our project. First thing, we do the research, and then we decide what materials are the best for the project. Third thing, we design and build the CNC machine, and then we perform an acceptance test. If the acceptance test is within a standard level, then the device is acceptable. If it's above the standard level, that means further investigation is required. The problem identification. The CNC machine are difficult to use for the small businesses and they are expensive to repair. Also, they require a special CNC machine laboratory, so not anyone can use it. He has to be trained. The accuracy becomes very poor with the time. That's due to the vibration, which leads to high level of noise. Then we proposed a solution, which is we're looking to build a small, affordable CNC machine with sustainable design and analysis of high accuracy and considering all the components with the best quality to achieve the high technical performance with affordable prices. And we can do that by adding damping system to the CNC machine to reduce the noise and the vibration. And then an acceptance test will be performed for the CNC machine by evaluating the noise level and analyze the noise spectrum.
This is me, Anup Shrestha. So CNC machine operates with a very low noise level and healthy vibration. And by this we will have significant advantages like reducing energy consumption. Our machine causes low vibration and vibration is energy. So by reducing the vibration it ultimately reduces the energy consumption, and there is a feature called damping which reduces the energy vibration. Better protection of occupational health and safety. So less noise means less less disturbances to hearing. So the operators who are using the CNC machine, ultimately they have a better healthy life and healthy work environment. Number three, secure more technical performance. Our machines design and build quality ensure high precision and reliability. So ultimately less vibration. Vibration is like extra energy, so less vibration means we'll get more efficiency. Number four, excellent market competitiveness and cost control capability. As I have already mentioned, our CNC machine is small, affordable, and sustainable. So by this, we can compete in the current market scenario. And then number five, minimum need for easy maintenance. Our, our CNC machine is designed for durability and ease of maintenance. So this reduces downtime and maintenance costs.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Khaja Muntajibuddin. Part is to explain briefly about market and competition. So, as you can see, it's a market size. It indicates us market size in 2023 is $63.78 billion, whereas huge market at up to $141.57 billion in 2032. Like within a 10-year of span, the market level is going from increasing rapidly. And when it comes to like our product is energy feasible, like it's consume less energy, and when it comes to it takes into consideration healthy and safety. So what happens when skilled labor required, there is a main concern regarding health and safety, but in order to this project, like in CNC, it takes into consideration health and safety, and the first sustainable CNC machine, and it's easy to use, like it easy to operate. We have to give some inputs, then the machine automatically give some outputs. No skill labor required. And cost control capability, like if you are giving, if you're launching something in the market, then we have to see the cost cutting is the most important one. So these are the ones we are looking into this CNC machine.
Hi, this is Abdul Ghaffar here. Just looking, as we all know that it's very important to made any kind of machine that has good environmental factors. That means that isn't that shouldn't be harmful for other environmental conditions and other environmental persons. We have made a machine that is of aluminum and steel, that both are recyclable, and we haven't used any kind of plastic which is harmful for the environment on that one. And the materials we have like a metals and wood all are all recyclable, because as we know that all these recyclable are good for the environmental conditions. And we have what the factors that we have considered before working on that one is a noise impact of noise. That is also a very important factor for the marketing of machinery, that it shouldn't be too much noisy. And the what kind of work we can do is CNC machining in wind power production, CNC machining in solar power, CNC machining in hydropower, and CNC can offer solutions for the green productions. We have actually compare a small. We did perform a small comparison between other machines and our machines by looking on their power consumptions and CO2 emissions. As we can see that our machine has a power consumption of 0.36 and CO2 emissions of 0.15 kilogram. And as we compared our machine with machine 2, so the machine 2 has power consumption of 0.52 kilowatt per hour. That is, as we looking on the machine, our machine, so there is like a huge difference between their power consumption in accordance with the per hour. And similarly, as we are looking on CO2 emissions, there is a difference of that is hits to 0.216. There is a lot of difference between CO2 emissions as well. Similarly, as the machine 2 that has power consumption of 0.46 kilowatt per hour with CO2 emissions 0.192 kilograms. We got a result that our machines average save 0.204 to 0.150, that is 0.054 kilogram per hour of CO2 emissions. That's a very good amount for saving the environment from the CO2 emissions. So thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Yadvir Singh, and I am doing Masters in Mechanical Engineering from Engineering Institute of Technology, Melbourne, and my student ID is 1702343. So now I'm going to start my presentation, and my topic is financial feasibility. So its first point is economic impact. Gives great economic impact, especially to those who start a new business, like for beginners, furniture makers, and for students. And another point is initial cost. The initial cost is estimately 2,000 Australian dollar, which is I guess not much. And third point is operating cost. The cost of 1 hour operation of this machine does not exceed more than zero point 0.2 Australian dollars, and in the electrical consumption is also very less, which is 0.20 AUD per hour. And labor cost is another point. This machine is extremely easy to operate, so does not need a skilled worker to operate it. However, the hourly rate salary is about $30. And last point is variable cost. This machine is mainly working on a wood or some type of polymers which are not expensive at all. They cost between 15 to 100 Australian dollars. And now we are going to talk about the payback period. The hourly rate of operating this machine is $17 Australian dollar per hour, and which I'm going to calculate through D is equal to CF upon P minus CV, where D is demand and CF is fixed cost, CV is variable cost, and P is price per hour. So after calculating this, in 29 hours of use this machine, you will get your money back. So this is my presentation. Thank you.